very good evening. A very good evening, dear hiring manager. My name is Rudradev Arya, and I'm going to be presenting my submission for the assignment that was given to create a task board where we are supposed to use React or Next.js uh, and to create a task board where we would be able to log in or sign up and create a task and do CRUD operations on them, and also integrate an external API that uh, would allow us to display profile pictures on it and deploy on some site. I have used a Vercel for it. For the extra points, I was trying to uh, do some test cases using Jest, but I was not able to completely do it. But I do have some minor scripts written in it, and nothing else other than that. This is the application, but I'll quickly go through the code. I have divided the code as per the um, standard way to organize front-end applications using components, pages, styles, etc. Where the entry point of the application is this app.js, where it's just calling it's wrapping around the CSS and all the other components. Now this is the main page where uh, where if the user is logged in, uh, if the user is logged in, we would directly be redirected to the taskboard component. Otherwise, it would redirect the user to the login page from which we could sign up or log in. In the components, uh, I think I'll start with the login page only, where we are using the Firebase auth, just email and password. I was thinking of using OAuth, but the time didn't permit, so I just decided to use email and password only, where it is simply checking if the user is signed up or not. It is asking for the user emails, already have an account, otherwise redirect to the sign up page. In the header, what it is handling is just sign out, the and the profile icon. That's all. As you will see in the application, that's just in the header only. The main task board is here, where uh, we are calling some functions from the Firebase, where we would be able to uh, get the tasks that are created by the user based on certain uh, created at or ID parameters, based on which we would be able to call it from the Firestore database. This is just minor console logs for debugging. As I said, we would be able to do CRUD operations on um, the tasks that are created. These are the task items that would be created, where we would be able to mark them as done or edit them or delete them. And this is the profile icon, where we are supposed to use the pick some API, or pick some API to randomly uh, display a profile picture for the user. And also write, this is the Firebase config file, basically, where we are defining the API keys, the domains, project ID, and etc. And after which we are exporting the database or authentication that we have verified. For the test, uh, this was supposed to create a test, give an ID to it, and just see if the task is created or not. Unfortunately, I was not able to successfully do it because there were some configuration issues. But in which ways, I'll go to the application itself. Sorry for switching between light and dark mode frequently. This is the application or the home page. If the user is logged in, they would be redirected to this. As you can see here, we would be able to create a task. If I add a task, I can see it here. I can edit it also. I'll show it in the Firebase admin page also. And you can mark it as done. I'll show the login and sign in process now. After signing out, uh, this would this is how the login page would look. And logging in, I would be here again. As you can see, the profile picture is still loading a bit. uh, I hope it loads in time. Yep. I'll sign out and try to go to the just now I created a new user for whom there are no tasks currently, and also the profile picture is loading. um, and this is on the deployed link, just in case. I'll sign out and go to the Firebase admin page so that I can show what kind of security rules I have created to be able to allow only the people who are logged in to create tasks and whatnot. As you can see here, these were the tasks that we created just now. Obviously, we would need to secure it properly for every user, so that their tasks are not visible to anyone else in the database or not accessed by someone else who has logged in from another account. But for the purposes of this assignment, I think it fulfills the criterias. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be able to participate in this. I hope I can qualify for the next round wherever that may be possible. Thank you once again.